If you're tired of doom scrolling LinkedIn or sending resumes into a void, you need to hear this. OpenAI is officially coming for your job search, and they claim they can fix the broken hiring system once and for all. OpenAI is launching a dedicated AI jobs platform in mid-2026 designed to challenge LinkedIn's dominance. Unlike traditional job boards that scan for keywords, this platform uses AI to read your actual skills and personality to match you with employers. They are pairing this with the OpenAI Academy, a massive certification program starting later this year to prove you can actually know how to use AI and creating a verified workforce. What do you think about this, John?
I think this is much needed because of what these companies have implemented to date, which is this, pardon my French, no, I'll say crappy system called the ATS, applicant tracking system, which is what they use to screen and rank job applicants. And so the OpenAI jobs platform, it represents a fundamental departure from this tradition keyword-based, which is what the ATS system, job matching systems. So while platforms like LinkedIn are relying heavily on resume parsing and Boolean search algorithms, OpenAI is going to leverage NLP to understand job requirements, candidate capabilities at more of a semantic level. So this system, like you said, is designed to move beyond traditional metrics that heavily rely on past experience and polished resumes, keywords, and all that other crap. Instead, it's going to focus on evaluating the candidate's potential and skills in emerging areas such as AI fluency and prompt engineering. And so I love this because the platform is going to integrate real-time AI assessments during the application process. And that includes automated interviews and skill simulations, which I think is great. The technical approach allows for dynamic candidate evaluation rather than the static resume review that's currently happening. And so it's archaic, even though it's the newest thing. It's already archaic. So the system can interpret plain language job descriptions and match them with candidate profiles based on specific demonstrated capabilities rather than keyword density, which I think is just ridiculous. So the representation of this system is a significant advancement over current, which we talked about, the ATS, because the ATS filters out qualified candidates because they're missing keyword mismatches. So I don't know if this is the best solution, the end-all solution, but I think this is a great step forward as far as for job applicants. What do you think?
We'll see. I mean, it sounds nice, and I think it'll be good like everything for a while. LinkedIn used to be good. And then what happens is the inevitable shitification of these products for profit. So I also take a step back and say, how do you think Microsoft feels about this? You know, their biggest investor, as far as I know, or one of them, billions of dollars, and they're taking that and taking their CPU and compute power and their investment and taking on Microsoft head to head on some of these things.
Yeah. Yeah. So here's the thing is maybe LinkedIn could integrate this solution into their resume stuff. So maybe it might not be a competitor in the long run. It'll be a solution that LinkedIn could implement.
Perhaps. Like, I think we'll have to see. Yeah. This just goes to the weird start of OpenAI. And we talked about this before. They started not for profit. Everybody came and invested because they were going to share the knowledge and share this and share that. And then they became for profit and they just kept all that money. And now they're competing with many of the companies that invested with them who, they were supposed to share with. And it's just weird where we led to this road. And this is just another add on to that. I also feel that it's now just going to be a question of, great, we know AI is analyzing this. All I need is another AI to make sure I give it the best thing that the AI wants. So like, how long till that happens? Like, that's what I mean by, like, when the bots start, now we have anti-bots, and now the bots have to beat the anti-bots to prove that they're not. And it's the same type of thing with this. I like where it's going, and I think, we need better tools, but the better tools we get on the one side, the better tools they'll get on the other side. So
Sure.
I don't know how long and how good this will be. But I do like the fact that they're starting the certification stuff, which, was inevitable. Everybody's going to have their own certification programs and stuff. I'm curious to see what'll be in it. And that should be launching by the end of the year. So it might actually be out now. I want to go take a look of that's there. And the full job platform is supposed to launch mid 2026. And the goal is to certify 10 million Americans by 2030.
That's crazy. I love it. I think that is one of the biggest problems right now, especially in the corporate world, because, and we've talked about this, is that CEOs are demanding AI integration, but the people using it don't know how to use it.
Yeah, and I think this is a way to go where rather than ignoring the challenges of AI disruption, the platform provides tools for workers to adapt and thrive in an AI-enhanced economy. This is a proactive approach to workforce transformation. So we'll see. They're offering free skill-up programs and resume enhancement to keep you relevant in the modern world. We'll have to see where that goes.
Yeah.
OpenAI is trying to turn your resume from a piece of paper into a verified data set. And if it works, the apply button will never look the same. Is this the end of traditional recruiter? Let us know what your thoughts are below. We'd love to hear back from you. All right, John, what do you got going on?
Oh, just probably digging out of snow as this is coming out. So, but ramping up for shred season and government funding is with the new fiscal year coming in a few months. So going to a few events. If you need help with government funding, reach out on LinkedIn, John Irwin, if you have any questions. How about if they need help with anything else related to their startup, Craig? And what are you up to?
Definitely head over to torontostarts.com. We have workshops and events happening there all the time. Everything's there. Sign up for our newsletter to make sure you don't miss anything. There's coaching. There's a podcast. You'll even find Silicon Scoop over there. If you're looking for direct coaching, head over to startupcoach.ca to find how you can book my time, and we can have a discovery call and get you back on the road to doing things, your business growing. We do monthly events at Startup Drinks TO. Again, all of these things are at torontostarts.com if you are interested. And for business AI and automation, head over to flowgrammar.ca, where we help businesses achieve faster lead response time, speed to lead, among other things. We have different packages. So go check that out. If you're looking to implement AI in your business and don't know where to start, go over to flowgrammar.ca and book a discovery call. And for everything else, flowgrammars.ca is our community hub. It's our Toronto Builders Hub. There's free workflows. There's our builder events. There's a bunch of stuff over there, a bunch of free tools and demos on how to use them and build them. So go check that out all over there. And John, if they're looking for government funding, where do they go?
Yeah, find me on LinkedIn, John Irwin. You can book right through that link, right through LinkedIn. So come find me.
Thanks, everyone. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, everyone.